Welcome to MarineLearn, practical knowledge and training for maritime professionals. Hit the bell button, subscribe, and like the video so we keep bringing valuable content to you.
Welcome to the Standard Maritime Academy orientation. Today, we are examining the Shipboard fitting shop. The role of the fitter requires absolute mechanical precision, but before you can shape metal, you must master the discipline of the space itself. Your complete operational readiness depends on mastering 5 specific objectives. We will move systematically from defining your basic mission and environmental rules straight through to synthesizing these protocols into your daily maintenance cycle. This blueprint illustrates your baseline reality. The engine room is hostile. Constant noise of 110 to 120 decibels causes permanent hearing loss. Acute physical hazards include moving machinery, extreme heat, and high-pressure steam. Survival relies entirely on strict protocol and discipline. Your core function is fitting, removing material so parts securely assemble. This requires mastering manual operations like filing, scraping, sawing, and precision drilling. Precision is your primary directive, acting as the human bridge to transform raw parts into a functional mechanical assembly. This illustrates a mechanical dilemma. Oversized shaft D1 cannot enter smaller hole D2 due to interference. The solution is controlled material removal. Filing the shaft in precise layers achieves the required clearance. This microscopic exactitude separates a secure fit from catastrophic failure. This shadow board displays the fitter's arsenal. Every tool must be used exclusively for its intended purpose. Post-use, tools are cleaned immediately and returned to their dedicated places. Never leave tools on finished parts or overhead gratings, where vibration could drop them into crankcases. To maintain order, we rely on the 5S methodology, our steering mechanism for safety. The cycle begins by sorting clutter, then setting an order for workflow efficiency. Step 3, shine, attacks grime to prevent slipping. This continuous housekeeping cycle actively maintains a zero-accident environment. Before touching a tool, equip your baseline physical armor, boiler suit, safety shoes, ear protection, and goggles. The long-sleeved boiler suit prevents snagging and blocks hot oil, while the shock-resistant footwear neutralizes slipping hazards and protects against dropped equipment. This routine baseline is insufficient for specialized operations. A matrix dictates exact task-specific equipment for higher-tier dangers. Hot work requires swapping standard gloves for heavy leather gauntlets and a UV shield. Chemical handling requires an entirely different setup, including full suits and respiratory masks. Physical gear is your second line of defense. Your first is intellectual armor, established during the toolbox meeting. The core is the KYT concept, hazard recognition. You must actively sense environmental dangers and rectify them immediately. This intellectual preparation ensures accidents never happen. This approach is formalized in the job hazard analysis. We select a high-priority job, deconstruct it into sequential steps, and anticipate exactly what could go wrong at each stage. Identifying specific hazards dictates precise preventative measures, like executing lockout-tagout procedures. In real-world scenarios, housekeeping failures create fatal falling risks, while PPE failures risk permanent eye damage. If you observe a hazard, the protocol is simple. Identify it, rectify it immediately, and submit a near-miss report. This provides critical data to upgrade fleet-wide safety procedures. This diagram synthesizes your operational curriculum. The toolbox meeting, job hazard analysis, PPE requirements, and the 5S system are linked nodes in a continuous safe maintenance cycle. Notice that actual mechanical execution, step 5, is preceded by 4 mandatory layers of safety preparation. Mastering this cycle requires mastering 3 pillars: executing mechanical precision, maintaining an uncompromising environment, and contributing to a zero-accident safety culture. Safety anticipation is a team requirement, but your own vigilance remains your final line of defense. Let's execute a final knowledge check. Oversized shafts require controlled material removal. The 110 decibel threat needs constant ear protection. A correct JHA means you select, deconstruct, identify, and prevent. Finally, shine eliminates slippery floors. Master both skill and procedural discipline to return home securely.